Hello, highly esteemed viewers. This is HappyMaths on the platform. We have a question on the board. So for SE, 5 raised to the power of 4s minus 2 equal to 18 raised to the power of s minus 1. Now this is a case of a question involving indices and logarithm. Now, since this is 5, this is 8, there is no way we can raise the both of them, can take the both of them to the same base. So what do? Let's take the both side to the log to base 10. So we have it as log base 10, 5 raised to the power of 4s minus 2 equal to log base 10, 18s minus 1. Now, this power, recall that log C a raised to b is the same thing as b log a to c. Now, the powers, we are taking them to the front. So this will give us 4s minus 2 bracket close, then log base 10, 5 equal to the same vein, moving s minus 1 to the front, s minus 1 log 10, 18. Now, let's move from here now. We have this as 4s minus 2. Then log to base of 5 will give us 6.990. The same vein, s minus 1. Now let's check log 18. Log 18 will give us 1.2553. Now let's use this to clear the brackets. Then 4s times 0.6990 equal to, that will give us 2.7960, then minus 2 times 0.6990, that will give us 1.398. Now let me add 0. Then this will give us 1.2553 s, then minus 1.2553. Now let's collect items from here. There is s here, so this will give us s. For better or clarity, let me move this as, this will give us 1.398 equal to, now let's move this to 10 now, so this will give us 2.7960s, moving this minus 1.2553s equal to, keeping this minus 1.2553, then moving this way plus 1.398. Now let me subtract it from this. We have 2.7960, then minus 1.2553 equal to, that will give us 1.5407s equal to, now if we subtract minus 1.2553 plus 1.398 equal to, that will give us 0.1427. Divide both sides by 1.5407. This will go over 1.5407. My application, what we have here now, 0.142, 0.1427 divide 1.5407. Therefore, S is equal to divide 1.5407. 5407. That will give us 0.093 to 3 decimal places. That's the final answer. Subscribe and follow us for more content. Bye.